Hi guys, I'm new in town and I love math, especially statistics. Can I join your math club?
Statistics? Statistics is not math. Anyone who is in math club must love math, and since you love statistics, you cannot join.
But, statistics uses numbers and equations. How can you say it isn't math?
That is exactly the point. Statistics needs mathematics, but it is too abstract to be considered math. It is its own subject.
Could we please get a second opinion? Please, I really want to be in math club.
Fine. I guess we can ask our club advisor Miss Webb to perform a hypothesis test to decide whether or not you and your statistics can join us.
Hi, Math Club. I heard my name. How can I be of help?
Miss Webb, this new student would like to join our math club, but she loves statistics. Could you perform a hypothesis test to determine if there is statistically significant evidence to support her claim that the population thinks statistics is math?
What a great question. The divide between statistics and mathematics has gone on long enough. I would be happy to perform the hypothesis test for you. To help the Math Club answer their question, I will be using a hypothesis test to determine if the sample data supports the claim that the population considers statistics to be covered under the umbrella of math. To collect my sample data, I turned to Facebook and had my friends and family of various ages and educational backgrounds complete a short quiz I created using a Google account. Many of my Facebook friends were interested, and in total I received 86 responses. Most respondents were female, between the ages of 19 and 25, and had completed some college. To determine if my sample considers statistics to be math or its own separate subject, I asked them to compute an average. Once they found the answer, I asked if they had just used math, statistics, or both to complete the question. Since finding an average is a computation used in both statistics and math courses, if the respondent answered math, I considered it a success, meaning they consider statistics to be math. If the respondent answered statistics or both, I considered it a failure, meaning they differentiated the two subjects and did not consider statistics to be math. To make inferences from my sample data, I used the critical value method for a single sample proportion with a given alpha of 0.05. My null hypothesis is p is less than or equal to 0.5, meaning at most 50% of the population believes statistics is not math. The alternate hypothesis is the claim that more than 50% of the population believes statistics is math. The test statistic is z equals p hat minus p divided by the square root of pq over n, where p hat is the sample proportion, p is your claim proportion, n is sample size, and q is 1 minus p. The critical value is found in the calculator using the inverse norm function. Since our claim is greater than 0.5, this is a right-tailed test, and since our alpha is 0.05, our input is 0.95, since the TI-84 computes using area to the left. I have provided a visual so that you can see how alpha, the critical value, the test statistic, and the claim all come together. As you can see, the test statistic is not in the critical region, and therefore we cannot reject our null hypothesis. This means that there is not enough evidence to support the claim that the general population considers statistics to be math, and therefore our new student will not be able to join Math Club. Well, Math Club, I have completed a hypothesis test and I did not find enough evidence to support our new student's claim. Unfortunately, you will not be able to join the Math Club.
But this isn't fair. Don't you think your testing was biased? A lot of your Facebook friends are probably students, and you are making an assumption by classifying both as a failure.
You bring up a great point. If I were to repeat the hypothesis test again, I would have subjects find an average and decide whether they are using math or statistics. Removing the both more accurately reflects the question. I know. Maybe you could let our new friend join Math Club and you guys could repeat the hypothesis test again with your own modifications, and we can look further into the statistics versus math debate.
You know what, Miss Webb, that actually sounds like fun. Welcome to Math Club, newbie. Let's get to work.